Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at our brand new 2023 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Got a beautiful boat here, starting up at the bow. This boat has complete stainless steel components with a windlass anchor and chain there, stainless steel cleats and rub rail. Beautiful hull here. This is the Sea Ray blue full hull color, which really ties in to the water sports tower up there and the blue panels as well. As we make our way down to the stern, we've got our American flag right there in position. Got a big swim platform here. This does have a manual submersible swim step that does deploy into the water. This has the two trim tabs on either side, the underwater lighting, Mercruiser stern drive, 350 horsepower Bravo 3. This boat's very well equipped. Let's hop inside and check out some of the interior features. All right, welcome inside. Standing here on the stern of the boat, we have the two rear-facing transom loungers here. Got a really big swim platform here as we walk into the interior of the boat. As we walk through, we've got a built-in cooler right here that does drain. And then you have your Fusion audio control back here. Easy to control the music, so you don't have to go back and forth from the helm and back to the stern. As you walk into the cockpit of the boat, got a big area here with L-shaped seating and then a nice wet bar up here. Again, we have a sink right here and then an area here to either put some drinks, keep them cold. It is self-draining as well. And then more storage underneath there. Taking a look at the upholstery, this is the stone upholstery and then the gray sea decking on here. We have a spot down here to plug your boat up and to charge your batteries when you're not using it. And a nice big tower. This is a manual tower that folds down. And then the biminy's stowed right now, but it does open up for a lot of sun protection on those hot summer days here in Minnesota. Ski locker down below here. Right now we just have the cover that does come with the boat, and then there's also a pump there for to blow up all your water toys. Starting here at the helm, I like this on the SDX line. We have the seat backs that do rotate back and forth. You can either face sitting forward or have passengers sit back here and face out looking towards the water. Again, this does have the 350 Bravo 3 on it. Digital throttle and shift, tilt steering wheel, Fusion audio, great sound quality across the boat. And then we have the 12-inch Simrad display screen. Right now we have it with the engine diagnostics and vitals. And then you can also go through here and switch it to your navigation or your chart plotting. Very advanced system on this boat. And then over here on the starboard side, again, we have the seats that do move forwards and backwards, and then your flip-up bolsters. Got a nice big area down here for the head. This is a vacuum flush head with a holding tank. And then nice center walkthrough up to the bow. We've got a door dam here to block out some wind on some of those cold mornings here in Minnesota. And then up in the bow, we don't have it set up right now, but this boat does have a bow filler cushion. So you can make this a complete sun pad up here while you're riding it underway. Got nice two armrests here that do go down. And then plenty of room. This is kind of a wider bow on the SDX line. Plenty of room on this boat. This boat's great for the lakes here in Minnesota. Give us a call. Feel free to walk in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.